Guys, welcome back to my TikTok channel, YouTube channel, and Rose. This is Maria the Explorer. I'd like to show you what I'm eating. I'm eating this egg sandwich with mayonnaise without what you say. Ladies' choice is no cholesterol. This is my favorite. What I put in my sandwich and is too yummy. Let's eat, guys. With coffee. Once again, sorry. Happy blessed Sunday, everyone. If I finish this, I going to my shower, and then after that I arrange myself and I going to the church in the Lucky Plaza to worship our God. I am a Christian, guys, so here we go. If you want to go to church near in your place, when you are beside the orchard, you can go in the Lucky Plaza 4th floor, the Friends of Jesus, my church. Okay. Once again, I am Maria the Explorer, guys. Please subscribe my channel, Maria the Explorer Singapore. Can you add also Maria, tayo ko si Maliano. Sorry, my mug is a bit of what is called antique long time ago, because I have a picture here and a picture of my daughter. That's why even it's so old I like to use it. This is my memories. Ang sarap. Guys, ano yung almusal niya? Nakain ko yung buhok ko. Sarap. Gusto ko sana magpa-retainer ulit ng ngipin ko, kaso lang mahal dito. Nung umuwi kasi ako last June, wala na akong time. Busy ako banding sa akin mga Juna kasi sa akin sister, gala-gala. Maybe pag uwi ko. Ito kasi dapat magganyan yan. Ganyan yung necklace ko, guys, so birthstone ko yan, Pisces. Diba? Kayo naman magkwento dyan. Masarap kasi kumain. Ayun, ang sandwich ko pala is this is the sweet potato. Yung flavor niya, that's why it's purple. Ganito lang ako kasimple. Sa mga nagsasabi sa akin na bungangera ako, sorry, hindi niyo pa ako kilala ng lubusan. Kung naniniwala man kayo sa nagsabi sa inyo, it's up to you. But before that, please don't judge me. You know only my name, but it's not my full story. And I don't like to talk about my privacy here in the TikTok. Okay? But anyway, thank you so much for your advices me. But God knows kung ano yung mga kinikwento niyo sa inyo. At saka ayaw kong sasabihin yung mga regarding between us kasi kami lang nakakaalam nun. Pero before sana na magsabi kayo ng ganyan na kung pungangera ako at even na year 2026 hindi ako magbago, it's up yan sa akin. This is myself. But I know the reason kung bakit ko nasabi sa kanya or naggawa. But please, huwag kayo makisali kasi amin to eh. That's our problem. But thank you so much sa advices. Yun lang masabi ko. Ayaw ko nang may taong may kagalit also kasi before anything else, you see God nga nakapagpatawa, di ba? 77 times na pinapatawad niya yung mga kasalanan natin ng sanlibutan and He gave His only begotten Son to forgive our sins, right? So, who's me na hindi magpatawad? Kaso lang, siyempre, I'm not a perfect. I am a human being only. And kayo din. Pero sana, please don't judge me. Kasi hindi nyo alam eh. Hindi nyo alam kung ano namamagitan. That's it. Or either, yung side niya lang yung pinapakinggan nyo. What if my side, diba? Pero ayoko nang pag-uusapan yung ganyan. Anyway, sa mga live, ayaw ko talagang magsabi or whatever na papahiya siya kaso lang. Nagpupumilit kasi siya eh. Ako yung umiiwas, diba? Please. Stop the issue. It's old already. I would like to be happy in my short life, even I alone. Totally, I felt alone, but I'm not alone because I'm serving to God, and God is always beside me. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day and happy blessed Sunday and advance prosperous Happy New Year to all. My friend, all the people here in TikTok.